Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you 3 ways to fix the OTG not working issue on this device. The first method, simply go to settings and scroll down at the bottom. You can see the option about phone, tap on this one. So in this page, you can see the option software information, tap on this one and tap on 7 times on the build number to enable developer options. Now tap on OK to enable developer option. You can say developer mode has been enabled. Now go back to the main settings. Now again scroll up. You can see the option developer options. Now the developer option is enabled on this device. Tap on the option developer options. Now scroll down. Go to the networking section. You can see networking section. Then here you can see the option default USB configuration. Tap on this one and select the option transferring files. Okay, this is the first method. And the second method, again go to the developer options and go to the debugging section. You can see debugging section. So we need to enable the USB debugging. Okay, but you can see we cannot enable the USB debugging. So simply search the auto blocker in developer options. You can see. Now disable this option. Now go back to your developer options and under debugging section you can see that now we can enable this option USB debugging. Tap on OK. So this is the second method and let's move to the third method. Open your phone application. Okay, now here you need to search one code *#0808# and from here you have to select the option MTP, Media Transfer Protocol. So these are the 3 methods to fix the OTG not working. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye-bye.